unboxed my iPhone 16 Pro Max with me, 512 gigabytes. So you guys, I just picked it up today from Best Buy. I drove an hour and a half to pick up my phone. And I got it in the color Desert Titanium. I think it's such a pretty like gold color. Had to get it. So here I am taking it out of the box. There's that USB-C charger it comes with. And there is the phone again. Look at that. Let me get a little closer for y'all so y'all can see the new camera button. I'm not a tech geek, so I don't know the actual name of that. All right, you guys, now let's get ready to get this screen protector on. So I picked up this case from Best Buy. Who doesn't love animal print? And I also got these screen protectors. It's a 3-pack. And it had the little guiding frame in there so I could get it on perfect. So here it is. It's booting up. Hello. So you pick your language, of course, English. Then you pick your country. You guys, then I picked all the other settings and I went ahead and got my phone set up, but it did take a minute to restore from my latest backup. And that's my quick unboxing.